Hello. In this video, we are going to go over how to solve a logarithm equation as you see here. The first thing we need to understand is how do we rewrite this in a way that we can solve this? The first thing I have is written right here. This is the form we have. Log b of x is equal to y. All we're going to do here is apply our snail method, which is we're going to start from our base, go across the equals, back across the equal to the x, which will be rewritten as b to the power of y is equal to x. So that's how we're going to rewrite this log equation in order to solve. So let's go ahead and do it. So we have our base. We're going to snail across the equal to our 1 and snail backwards to our argument. So we have 20 to the power of 1 is equal to x squared minus x, just like that. And as we see here, we're going to get something in a quadratic form and solve. We're going to minus 20 to the other side because 20 to the power of 1 is just 20. So we can clean it up if you would like first. And we're going to subtract 20 to the other side. We're going to have 0 equals x squared minus x minus 20. We're going to do a quick x method, negative 20 on top, negative 1 on bottom, over x. We see we're going to get 5 and 4. 5 times 4 is 20. We need it to be a negative 1, so we'll get a negative 5, a positive 4. We'll rewrite it, x plus 4, x minus 5. This is, again, set equal to 0. Separate and solve, so we'll move over here. X plus 4 is equal to 0, and x plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, sorry. Solve both of them. We have minus 4 to both sides. We have x equals negative 4 plus 5 to both sides. We have x is equal to 5. Lastly, we need to check if we have any extraneous solutions. That means if we plug them back in, it wouldn't work for our equation given. So we're going to just double check. We'll do log 20 of negative 4 squared minus negative 4 is equal to 1. And we can see it's going to be 16 plus 4 log of 20 of 16 plus 4 log of 20 is equal to 1. We do our snail. 20 to the power of 1 is indeed equal to 20. So that one is okay. Then we have to check the 5. Log of 20 of 5 squared minus 5 equal to 1. We'll get log of 20 of 25 minus 5 equal to 1. And we see, again, we get log of 20 equals 1. We do our snail, and we see 20 to the power of 1 is indeed 20. So we can conclude that these two are a solution to the given problem. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Otherwise, hope everyone has a great day.